Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today I have Jamaican patties, which is seafood patty and chicken patty. Now, as you can tell, I am sweating because I just came out of the kitchen. And if you want the recipe for that, stay tuned. At the end, you'll see the recipe, and I'll list it in the description box down below so you guys can follow it. Yeah, so for the seafood patty, I have shrimp and lobster, and as you can tell, it is wrapped differently because I just wanted something else other than the ordinary normal patty shape. Guys, I am sweating, literally sweating, but I can't wait to taste this. And I have the chicken patty. Now this one have cheese in it, and these one are just plain chicken patty, and I have some vegetable to go with it, and my aloe vera drink. Now guys, if you want to see my reaction, my true reaction, stay tuned for the video. Yes guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna start off with the seafood patty. Now look at this, you can see the flakes, like you can see the flake, right? Now, like, this is one of the hardest dish I've done. If you realize, it's very flaky because it takes a lot of technique. Like, you guys better give me a thumbs up for this because we have to do whole heap of things to accomplish this. It's very, like, maybe that's why there's not so many Jamaican patty recipe online, because it takes so much. But here I go. No guys, me not buy no more patty. Not buy no more patty. Me I bake my patty myself. It's hot. No man. Nice bud. I'm not gonna lie guys. I'm not gonna lie, it bad. It bad. It really, really bad. It's nice man. No man. It's nice guys. Like me not exaggerate. Like, this is the best thing we ever do. God. The shrimp and the lobster with butter, garlics and herbs. Oh my god. And coconut milk. Oh. Oh man. Nice bud. No guys, like, if you realize, look at the flakiness, like literally patty, like literally. Not even on the topic phone today. No. You cannot eat it cold guys, you have to eat it hot. Like, you have to literally burn up your tongue for this. Oh man, I sweat. Yeah. Let's look at that. Not exaggerate, guys. It tastes good. I'm gonna bake patty more often. Let's start buying patty. No man. This goes to the chicken patty. This one has a little brown spot. Look at that. Look at the flakiness. You know the song was like speechless, speechless. That's how you make me feel. That's how this made me feel. Not even manners, not even tastes, not even juice beef now. Now I've nothing on the pot here. Like literally. It is packed with season, spice. I need to share this. That's not gonna lie, patty nice, man. Like the right color, the right texture, the right flavoring, the right spices. Guys, you definitely need to try this. Like literally, like the good thing about this, like making your own patty, you can put anything you want in it. You can put vegetables in it, just anything. And then the cheese on it, oh my god. Now I'll get my cousin to taste this. No one can enjoy it. I'm gonna make them tell you exactly how it is. My favorite one is this one. No guys. Not gonna lie, but look on the plate to realize all of the flakes on it. We should say we do really good. Let's all come back. The patty is so hot, I have to come outside and eat it. And I want to give you guys a close up of everything. So nice. Look at the flakes. Look at the plate, guys. Oh my god. I couldn't do no good today because I want you guys to enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it. But look at the plates. Oh man, I feel call really enjoyed it now. I'm going inside, you know? But let me taste it, you understand? Because no one can eat this. Because it's good to hear from someone else, even though them just love food, so they name anything anyway. But it's better to give them than give anyone else right now. Right, so guys, me have to go call them because me one can't name this. Me one cannot eat this. Like,
Don't do that thing on the car for this.
chat too much. Let me come over. Like, me one cannot eat this. Like, me literally have to go for them 2 cream pit here.
Why don't you feel that this is a prank again?
No. Like, we just want to taste it and then tell the people them. No, you camera come over. Like, taste it and tell them how it tastes. Yeah.
Okay.
Like, especially the one are nice. Let's see if you can get this. Tell me if it tastes like patty. Taste the one here. It's a shrimp and it's a chicken. Tano, how it tastes?
Good.
Which one you prefer, the seafood or the chicken one?
Chicken.
No.
Seafood.
The seafood, me prefer to. Seafood was nice. To bake your patty at high, you can see the crust, the sit and flake off like a real patty then. So when you eat patty, I say flake off, though. That's a bit patty. That one is nice one. You know what, it's nice. Tastes better than the patty then.
The reason why you're saying that because I will put it.
No, but this tastes better than the shrimp patty with them have. Ever eat shrimp patty? This tastes better than the shrimp patty? All because we can add more spice and more flavor in. It's nice. Did you put patty going in there? Alright. Out of 10, how much you like it, man?
I would give the shrimp a 10 and I would give the chicken a 9.
What you say?
Alright. I give the shrimp a 8 and give the chicken.
The chicken, a full 20.
Imagine them say that tell that she get 20. Say, can you imagine guy you know say shot, right? You not get no more. Because I eat you ready for gear up.
Very funny. But not lie, guys. Can be bad. The shrimp, that's stuff in me. Me want give it a 6, but that would have been mean on my half. So let's get an 8.
Patty nice. But yeah guys, that was my patty. And if you want to see the recipe, you know, they don't get the description box down below. And it's gonna be at the end of the video.
Click the subscribe button.
Yes, and as always,
Subscribe,
please like, share, and subscribe.